Welcome back to Fix It Garage. Today, we're not going to be working on cars at all. We're also not going to do a whole lot of talking today. Today, I'm going to show you guys the first part of my garage remodel, and then when that is done, I'll kind of show you guys where it's at right now, and then tell you what comes next. So, as you guys saw in some videos, this garage can get pretty tight of a squeeze. I can fit 2 cars in here, barely, but I can. So it was time to make some changes. Time to open up this garage, get rid of some things, add some new things to make this a better functioning garage. So what you guys are gonna see today is the demolition. Tearing things down, that's fun. Where you're gonna see a shelf come down, a workbench come down, tear it apart so we can build it up better. So without further ado, guys, let's get right in the time lapse of me tearing everything apart. So that's the workbench torn out. I would show you the space where it is right now, but there's some stuff I don't want to show you till the end of the video or maybe even next video. So that was the workbench torn out. Once we got that guy torn out, we put it all out of the way and it was time to start on that big giant wood shelving unit you guys have seen in many videos. Alright guys, so you can see right behind me, the wood shelf is gone. It's completely gone. You guys probably noticed it last week in Tech Tuesday as well, that shelf was not there. And if you were really clever, you may have noticed in my super clean video as well that it wasn't there. Some of the camera angles caught a little glimpse of it. You might have also got a little tiny sneak peek in the video of what I have in the shop. So now that we've got both things torn out, I'm gonna real quick show you guys the new stuff we have, what's going in, and then we're gonna end this video. All right guys, so I'm sure you're very eager to see all the changes. So first, here you go. No more wood shelf, it's officially gone. In its place, we've kind of moved a bunch of stuff around this over here. For now, I have a storage unit shelf there for like Christmas and camping gear, stuff that isn't really car related. This mess right here eventually is all gonna go away. This is eventually gonna go away to a different part of the house, but for now it's gonna stay in here. It's a long story. So here we go. I'm gonna flip this camera around slowly. So there's what it looks like today, guys. So right now we've got a new Husky toolbox, double height. This is perfect for storing all of my electronics, for doing like charging and stuff. I've also got a drawer right here that happens to have all my GoPro stuff in it. Fancy, right? So that's the first addition to the garage. This actually is going away. This is going in the other garage. So ignore that. That's not gonna be here in the next video. Also have a shelf I built for storing tires. I actually need to put those wheels on another shelf, and I've got another set of wheels in a storage unit that needs to go on a shelf like this, but I don't know when I'm gonna make them, but we'll get around to it. I also have some stuff stored up here that eventually is gonna either go away or be hung up on the wall. And lastly, we have another new Husky toolbox that's gonna go next to that one. This one has a nice workbench. It actually has a pop-out pegboard where I'm gonna be able to have that up with a shelf where I can mount the camera straight down for Tech Tuesday so I can like talk and show you guys what I'm doing with my hands, kind of show some more. It'll allow me to show more things on videos a little bit easier by using that worktop. And then inside this box is a rolling adjustable height workbench. Now the thought behind that is I can roll that to the car that I'm working on, adjust the height to either bring it over the hood or bring it close enough I can get it in there. So I'm taking parts off, I can put them on that and then eventually put them on this shelf. This is probably gonna be a long-term project part shelf, haven't decided, or I might not keep it in here. I don't know yet. That's kind of where we're going. Also built another shelving unit there. So that's kind of what the garage is at right now. Again, this is about, we'll call 2/3 done. We still have a long way to go, but basically all the toolboxes are gonna be along this wall. I actually have another piece of tool storage coming home. I'm just waiting on something to be delivered to work so I can bring it home, which will bring a little color to the shop. So I can't wait to show you guys that either. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Next week, hopefully if everything goes to plan, I'm gonna get to work actually right after I finish editing this video. The garage will be done. Everything will be in place. I'll still have to do a bunch of organization, but it will be done enough to call it completed. So that's hopefully gonna be next Friday. I might also have some other little special things coming on very shortly. Stick around for that. Remember, as always guys, if you like what you saw, remember to smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, including part 2 of this remodel. You definitely don't want to miss that. Trust me. Thank you guys again for watching, and remember that on any project or any car you're working on, you should never stop wrenching.